Hello, my name is David and I'm a yoga instructor. And today we're going to do some breath work. Breath work is very important. It helps us to relieve anxiety, it helps us to be patient, it helps us to work through problems. I'm going to teach you today Nadi Shodhana, also known as the Yoga Nadis. When we do the Yoga Nadis, this helps to balance the left and right hemisphere of the brain. So everyone bring up a hang loose sign. There you go, just like that. Now you can use your thumb to cover one nostril and then your pinky to cover the other one. That's just fine. The traditional way to do it is to actually use the ring finger. The ring finger is connected to the heart, so when we breathe in through the nostrils, we close one with our ring finger and close the other with our thumb. Okay? So let's try it together, but before we get into it, let's just have a couple cleansing breaths. First, sit tall. Relax the shoulders away from the neck. Begin to notice the natural breath. Let's take a deep breath in, fill up through the belly, the ribs, the chest. Audible exhale, let it go. Good. Let's try that again. Breathe in, fill up. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. This time, seal the lips. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale out through the nose. Now let's try it. Okay, we'll bring our thumb to our right nostril, and as we breathe in, we'll breathe in through the left nostril. We'll always switch at the top, bringing our ring finger to the left nostril and exhaling out through the right. Breathe back in through the right nostril and switch at the top. Exhale out through the left. Back in through the left. And switch. Continue doing this for a few minutes. Closing the eyes. Connecting with the breath. A couple more breaths in and out. One more inhale. One more exhale. Very good. Yoga Nadis is especially good to do in the morning when a lot of us are affected by allergies. It's going to help clear the airwaves so you feel better in the day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Click below to subscribe. And please have a... click below to subscribe. And namaste.